Model, 67 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti Lwb needs head gasket Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134,901. MOT, the 24th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Straightforward head gasket and timing chain replacement job. Gearbox and clutch are great, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than